I love your TikToks and stuff.
Oh, thanks. You know, interesting.
Spiritual chats. Me and Chanel love it. We're like,
Yes, you do.
Oh, grandma.
boil that up. More aluminum. Here to go. Throw it in.
Live stuff.
Like anything live. Oh, can I get the live? Oh, yeah.
Very true.
Yes. You would think that. So sad. He's coming back. Because he ran out of money. Yeah, get that sauce. That's real good. I probably could, but.
I'll give you the room agreement and the card.
So goes hard. Yeah. Motorcycle gang. Like certain like other like the Irish like yeah, like I didn't work with them. Okay. How we doing?
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.
Oh yeah. There it is.
I was gonna let these two play.
You know, permanent came along.
Wave again. There we go. I think I'm just getting lucky today. I really usually suck. I got one in. Okay, now. He got one in the
I
hole.
got two in the hole.
But that cancels out because mine went in.
Well, yeah. So I got two, you got one. So I got one in the hole.
Yeah.
So we got 3 points on that one.
Nice try.
Okay.
You meant throw the corn in. I thought you were talking about cornhole again.
No, we don't.
See, watch because of Brittany. Like that.
I mean, we're playing.
okay.
I think there's room over
Get a
here
little
now.
closer. Over there? Yeah. That way you can toss it
Next to
low.
my corn right
Toss it
there.
low.
You can just here, put your hand right here and see how warm it is. Kind of like the oven. When you're just,
Yeah.
there you go.
There we go.
Nice.
Cool.
Blue. That means it's even hotter.
I know. It's going to really blaze, yeah.
That means it's even hotter.
The packet that he
I
put in
like
there.
that.
That's
Yeah.
cool, right?
Look at the pretty colors, though, coming out of there.
Yeah.
Very much so. It burns like that for a while, you said?
It's like an hour and a half.
What if we put
That's just
in
like
another
a
one
lump
in
on
at
there,
the
you know?
same
It's
time?
like chemical, and then just burns for a while. Like a black hole.
Gonna make a black
It's so
hole.
cool. Good.
Yeah. Can I get some?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're done
Here, I'll
doing.
throw this over here. What do you need?
Could you grab me a paper towel, please? Go ahead and enjoy.
Are you guys looking for outlets? Outlets?
Oh, no, we
I'm
don't
so-
have anything to even plug in. We're
Okay.
We're
Sorry.
always traveling and stuff, so
Yeah.
making plans for the future. Well, we got supposed to go to Frisco, but plan on riding bicycles across what's called the Katy Trail over in Missouri.
Yeah.
It's like a 240 mile long trail.
Strays.
Are you looking at me? Is it blur again?
For me, you know? But it's more like the meat and everything else. You know?
This is your tarp, right?
You recorded for so long. Yeah, because I'm like, ooh. I'm just gonna keep waving.